Well, community just heartbroken over this closure of Weiss. Many of the folks that live in this area depend on that hospital because it is a safety net hospital. That's the reason why there's been this last-ditch effort to keep Weiss open.
When we fight, we win!
They've come together to protest the closure of Weiss Memorial Hospital while calling on Chicago's elected officials to help save the Northside Safety Net Hospital.
We're here today because we cannot allow this hospital to be closed. This is a community disaster.
Calling themselves One Northside, this coalition of community groups and healthcare professionals, joined by neighbors and elected officials, demonstrated outside the Uptown medical facility this afternoon.
This was the Cook County of the North Side. It was the People's Hospital.
Located on the city's north side since 1952, Weiss, which serves an ethnically diverse population of mostly low-income residents, the elderly, and people of color, closed its doors this morning. The 239-bed hospital was forced to shut down after the Centers for Medicaid and Medicare Services cut off the hospital's access to the program funding due to non-compliance. The hospital's owner says he hopes to reopen as soon as possible.
Till such time that we reapply or we file the appeal for CMS reconsideration or do a new application, and then that will come back on.
The Illinois Department of Public Health says patients are no longer being treated at the facility. The ER had only been open for walk-ins and wasn't accepting ambulances since June when the building's AC failed. Some hospital employees say they were laid off without warning.
It's very tragic, it's very disastrous. It's not something, it's very pathetic.
Meanwhile, some of the hospital's patients, several lawmakers and city council members are lobbying for an 8-week extension for Weiss.
We are talking about people in our community who will die if they don't have access to a safety net hospital that is accessible, that is affordable, and that is a known quantity in our community.
Now, it's unclear exactly how long that appeal process will take. It could take somewhere between 60 days, possibly, or longer. Just to give you an idea of how dire supporters of this hospital say this situation is, according to officials from some of the lawmakers, they say that about 80% of the patients that were utilizing this hospital were either getting Medicaid or Medicare. And obviously, that will be affected by federal cuts. So they say this hospital has to come back online and there has to be more help. Back to you.